Next is geometric growth rate. So here we have seen increasing in length of the plant body or a germinating seed. But in case of geometric growth rate, we see different types of measures like height, size, weight, etc. In case of geometric growth rate, if one cell started growing, then initially it will undergo mitotic division, just like meristematic cells which are continuously dividing, and gives rise to two number of new cells. This is new cell, new cell. This is parent cell. Now, here, in case of arithmetic growth rate, we have seen one cell is getting differentiated and another is continuously dividing, responsible for elongation of the plant part. But here, in case of geometric growth rate, all cells will undergo mitotic division. New cell, new cell, new cell, and new cell. Again, this will undergo another type of division. This also undergoes division. We have seen here cell number is 1, but here it is 2, it is 4, it is 8. Just like it will be increased to 16, to 32, to 64, etc. Geometric growth rate is calculated with formula is, here we use weight, final weight, that is equal to initial weight into e power RT. What are these? W and T, etc. WT indicates final weight. In case of W, we can also take as H, representing height of the plant body. Final weight of plant. W naught as initial weight of plant. R is growth rate. T is total time taken for complete increasing of size or weight, etc. E indicates, generally we write E as base value of natural log. What does it mean? When we see the logarithmic value of E, then it will be some number. That number is called as Euler's number. So we are representing with E. So E indicates Euler's number. This number is used to know the unknown quantity. Here quantity indicates weight or height, etc. Used to know the unknown quantity. In case of geometric growth rate, in case of arithmetic growth rate, we are seeing elongation, length. But here we are seeing weight or height or size or volume, etc. Anything we can calculate by using geometric growth rate formula. So it also can be represented by a graph. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. On x-axis, we are taking time period t. On x-axis, we can take either height or weight, etc. In case of geometric growth rate, initial growth is very slow. So this is called as, that time period is called as lag phase. So lag phase is very slow. Here the cells grow very, very slowly, and that is called as lag phase. Later, the cells will be adapted to that environment and continuously grow and increase a particular number or height or weight of the cells or plant Now, this is called as exponential phase. In case of exponential phase, the cells are very, very active. This is also termed as log phase. Now here, in case of log phase, this is also termed with efficiency index. Efficiency of any type of cell can be calculated only when it is in exponential phase. Now, here cells are very active, growth is fast. Here we have already written as growth is slow. After certain time period, the required food material or the resources will be finished off and the growth will be reached to steady phase. Steady state or stationary phase. By the time here, the resources might have been finished. In case of arithmetic growth rate, we are representing this one with increase in a number of cells as 2 plus 2 plus 2, etc. But in case of geometric growth rate, we represent increased cell number as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 because the cells always undergoing mitotic division. So the obtained number of cells will be 2 only. But no cell is undergoing differentiation here. So that width or girth of the stem also can be increased by geometric growth rate.